Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu. South Africa won 3-2 qualified for the next round. Danko. Mina ngizonitshela into eningayibonanga kule match. I-match was match fixed. Yeah, allege. I-match was match fixed. Masithi match fixed, ama-result aphume before umdlalo uqala. Go and check amagoli we-South Africa. Like, like yabo uma ungazi i-match fixing yabo, you won't understand. But ku-match fixing bafethu abathengi yonke i-team. Usually bathenga i-defender no-goalkeeper. Usually. The last defense no-goalkeeper. Yabo. The third goal ye-South Africa bekuyi-penalty. Go and check ukuthi lo mjito obambele ibhola yaze yaba yi-penalty uyibambe kanjani. Ibhola beliziphumele. Walilanda ngesandla, wadayiva, ulanda ibhola ngesandla ukuthi kube yi-penalty. Abantu bebangekho aware if South Africa idrowile i-Angola yawina, Angola beyi-qualify. And mind you, i-Egypt beyenzeni ama-star players iwafake ebhenchini. Uyayibona? Egypt was wishing ukuthi South Africa ingaphuma. So South Africa iyazi abantu be-South Africa abo-Minister of what engeke ngibabale. They saw kuma-qualifications we-World Cup ukuthi iZimbabwe iyenzeni. There was a time izosidrawe neZimbabwe ku-important match. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi la azange kube ne-brown envelope ukuthi i-defense yeZimbabwe no-goalkeeper weZimbabwe bayenza ama-mistake. Remember guys, iZimbabwe is kulama-scandal we-bribery wezinto ey'kanje ihlezi khona. You can go and watch nje ama-tournament-ini wabo past. Le nto le yokuthengisa ama-match fixing banayo. So ningajabuli nithi hey strong Bafana Bafana ihlule iZimbabwe. Zimbabwe could have easily like played defensive match ya 10 players behind the ball abajump center just ukuthi basilike, but because there was money nizohlakanipha ngelinye ilanga, nizongibonga ngelinye ilanga. Danko.